In this video, I will show you how to highlight unique values in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have two columns containing employee names. Now I want to highlight unique names in these two columns in light green color. I will use the Excel COUNTIF function to do that. The COUNTIF function returns the count of the cells that meet the specified criteria. This function accepts two arguments, a cell range and the criteria. For example, this COUNTIF formula will count the cells having the same text as the cell B3 in the B3 to B6 range. This formula returns 2 because cells B3 and B6 both contain the same text, which is red. Similarly, this formula will return the count of 1 for cells B4 and B5 because the text values are unique and do not appear in any other cells in the range. As you can see, if the count is 1, then it is a unique value. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing the names. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula that counts the first cell value in both the columns, that is B3 to C8, and then compares the count with 1. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the rest of the cells in the selected range. I will also make the column range reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select the desired background color to apply to the unique cells. I am going to choose the light green color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is a unique value. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the unique names in these two columns are now highlighted with the light green color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means if we change any cell value to make it duplicate, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any cell value to make it a unique value, it will be highlighted in the light green color as defined in the formatting rule like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the name cells again. Now click the Conditional Formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting from the selected cells only, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from these cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.